Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's the most amazing news for our viewers. Berkeley scientists have discovered a new colonophalangate species in monolith that forms multicellular colonies and hosts a microbiome, offering new perspectives on the evolution of multicellular organisms. The salty, arsenic and cyanide laced waters of the eastern Sierra Nevadas monolake is an extremely hostile environment. Aside from the abundant brine, shrimp and black clouds of alkali flies, very few organisms live there. Now, researchers from the University of California, Berkeley have discovered a new creature lurking in the lake's briny shallows, one that could tell scientists about the origin of animals more than 650 million years ago. The organism is a colonophalangate, a microscopic single-celled form of life that can divide and develop into multicellular colonies in a way that's similar to how animal embryos form. It is not a type of animal, however, but a member of a sisters group to all animals. As animals' closest living relative, the colonophalangate is a crucial model for the leap from one cell to multicellular life. Surprisingly, it harbors its own microbiome, making it the first colonophalangate known to establish stable physical relationships with bacteria. Instead of solely eating them, as such, it is one of the simplest organisms known to have a microbiome. Very little known about colonophalangates, and there are interesting biological phenomena that we can only gain insights from into if we understand their ecology, said Nicole King, a UC Berkeley professor of molecular and cell biology and a Howard Hughes Medical Institute's investigator who studies colonophalangates as a model for what early life was like in ancient oceans. Typically visible only through a microscope, colonophalangate are often ignored by aquatic biologists who instead focus on microscopic animals, photosynthetic algae or bacteria. But their biology and lifestyle can give insight into creatures that existed in the oceans before animals evolved and that eventually gave rise to animals. This species in particular could shed light on the origin of interactions between animals and bacteria that led to the human microbiome. Beautiful. BNS exclusive report. Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.